the last episode we arrived to the Cape Verde, which consists of 9 different islands. Cape Verde was a Portuguese colony until 1975, and the Portuguese language remains, but the main language is Creole. Mindelo is situated on the island São Vicente. It's the second biggest city in the whole island group and has the only marina. The marina is situated in a beautiful bay, which also offers a good anchorage, but look out for the many wrecks. Let me see the big transformation. I'm scared. Oh my! What have you done?
I slipped. I slipped when I was cutting up here, and then I had to take the whole thing down. So that's 2 millimeters.
He cut all the hair. It feels good though. I can imagine.
Feels fresh. Definitely.
Not so hot.
No. But it's hot today.
Yeah. It's good. The marina is run by a German who lives on the island, and it's very well organized. The only downside is that it's expensive and you have to pay for water.
$1,000 escudos for 500 liters of water. That's about 10 euros.
We stayed in the marina since we needed to look at the problem with the propeller shaft and to fix the alternator which broke on the sail from the Canaries.
Seem to have a problem with the external regulator for the alternator. I have bypassed the external regulator now and using the internal one that's still on this old generator or alternator. So I will see if it works now without the external one, and if that doesn't solve it, we probably need to get a new alternator, or maybe find another one here on the island. It's working. Yeah? Yeah. The ship chandler here in the marina, they tried to sell us a new one, and they wanted 800 euros for it, and I mean, it's just a 50 amp alternator, nothing special, so crazy price. So, and we definitely can't afford to spend that kind of money on an alternator. I found a guy in the street, Humberto, and he helped me around in the city here in Mindelo, to another guy who knew another guy who could fix the alternator. So they took it apart and they changed. They had this diode, I don't know the word in English, the diodes on the alternator. So they changed that, and they also changed the regulator, and they wanted 100 euros for total work. Definitely worth it compared to buying a new one. So, and now it seems to be working perfectly. So it's really nice when we can really repair stuff instead of buying new stuff. So I think that's something that they are really good on doing here. Yeah, so I guess that's a bit of a lost art if you compare it to Sweden and other developed countries, that people tend to not repair stuff anymore. They just change it. And of course, here in the Cape Verde, a lot of poor people, and they have to do what they can with the stuff they have. So they are really good at repairing stuff instead of just change it. So that's cool.
On the northeast side of the island lays Baía das Gatas, a small sleepy village where the fishermen still sail their boats. The village has a pretty lagoon which almost closes at low tide, and we saw a wonderful little blowfish there. And a few kilometers south, we found a long beach without any people, but we also found a lot of garbage.
We're at the marketplace in Mindelo, where they sell vegetables and fruits.
Cape Verde has a very young population, where 1/3 is under 30 years old. In the city of Mindelo lives 50,000 people of the island's 70,000 inhabitants. It's a lively town with plenty of colorful colonial houses, and down there are two of the markets.
This was really good.
We're at the beach, the city beach, Laguna. I guess it means lagoon. It's a beautiful beach. Since it was my birthday, we celebrated with dinner and live Cape Verdean music. Hi guys, thanks for watching another episode. We wanted to update you about our coming plans, and we have decided to sail directly to the Caribbean. So sorry to all our Brazilian friends, we hope to meet you some other day. Tell us about the reason.
Yeah, I mean, the reason for this is the problems we have with Ron at the moment. We need to haul the boat to change this stuffing box for the propeller shaft. Of course you can do it in the water, but it's a lot easier to do it when the boat is hauled. And on top of that, we need to change the anodes really badly on the hull. This is an aluminium boat, so it's quite important to do that in time. And you can also do that in water, but it's easier on land. And we need some new anti-fouling. So a bit of work that needs to be done on Ron. So, and also the hurricane season is ending soon. It's easier to get this stuff done in the Caribbean than in Brazil. Probably cheaper as well with the stuff that we need.
Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and we will be here in the Cape Verde for a while before the crossing. So you will get to see more of these beautiful islands. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to follow our adventure. And
see you in the next one.
Take care.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Där, den var där uppe vid fönstret.
Oh, got you.
He's been on a killing mission. Let me see.